Hey guys, welcome back for another video. In this video we will be seeing the Lofted Boss base option. It is an option used to add material between two or more profiles to create a solid feature. So first let us start off by making reference planes. We can choose the reference plane as the front plane over here. Let me create two offsets and then normal to so that I can sketch on them. I'll first sketch on this, right click on it and then press sketch. I'll just draw a simple rectangle and exit sketch and select the second plane, again sketch. I'll draw a hexagon on this plane and then again exit sketch. And now let's activate the lofted option. So one sketch is already selected. Select the second sketch. So it's activated now. So as you can see, these two green points, they are the line which joins this, and then if you rotate it, the figure also rotates as you do it. So again, if I do it here, there is no, the option doesn't work, so it works between only these 3 points. And you can also choose thin feature over here if you require it to produce a hollow feature, and press OK. So we created this. We can also create guide curves, use guide curves in this option. So I'll delete this loft now and hide these two planes. Choose a plane para and normal to this. So now I'll just draw a guide curve. I'll just draw a spline on this side and a line on this side. And exit the sketch. We have the guide curves. Once the guide curve has been drawn, we can activate the loft option again. Select the sketches, this and this, and now the guide curves, this, select, and this one as well. So now it has followed the guide curve paths, and again you can use the thin feature if you want to produce a hollow feature. I'll just turn it off for now and now press OK. So the solid feature is now produced. This was the lofted feature which we saw. Hope it was useful. If you have any doubts, you can ask them in the comments. I will try my best to answering them. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.